Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this topic is a new topic. This is about stock market investing. Okay, so this video is what I'm going to do is to just share with you guys kung ano naging journey ko with stock market investing. So I tried it for 1 month and then I let you guys know kung magkano ba yung naging capital ko, naging so yung pinaka-initial investment ko and then if kumita ba ako dito or hindi. Just a disclaimer, what I know about stock market is sobrang beginner level. Just like with the description that I tried. So, trial pa lang to. Wala akong deep knowledge about this. So, I'm just sharing it with you guys. So far, kung ano yung mga natutunan ko, yung mga na-experience ko dito sa stock market. Ano nga ba yung stock market? Basically, a stock market is an open market wherein you can buy shares of companies. So, bali, madaling sabi, it's you buying a portion of the company. There are two ways for you to grow your money here in stock market. So, the first one is capital appreciation. Capital appreciation means that the stock price of the share that you bought went up. So, kumari, binili nyo yung Jollibee share ng 100 pesos, sasabihin 150 pesos na siya. So, meron kayo 50 pesos na tubo per share. That's gross profit pa lang. Kasi syempre, you have to understand na meron mga taxes and other fees. Another way for you to earn, the second one is dividend through dividends. So, what are dividends? Dividends basically are the declared profits of the company. So, binibigay sa mga shareholders usually every year, pwede twice a year, pwede 4 times a year. Depende na yun sa schedule ng company na napili. So, first step para kayo makabili ng stocks is for you to choose an online broker or a stockbroker. So, before, di ba nakita yun sa movies, parang yung scene that is tumatawag yung buyer or yung business person into this stockbroker through the phone.
In seconds. It was like mainlining adrenaline.
So yung napili kong stockbroker is COL Financial or Paul Financial. I don't know how you say it. Pero sila yung napili ko because I think pwedeng mag-apply sa kanila everything through online and you can access your account online ng lahat. Hindi ko alam yung difference dun sa mga iba like video ng mura, PI investing. You can just search it. Pero I think very minimal lang naman yung difference ng charges if meron mong difference yung charges nila or fees. So next step kapag may account ka na is for you to fund your account. So for COL Financial, minimum investment is just 1,000 pesos guys. 1,000. I think before 5,000 siya. Pero ngayon, as low as 1,000 you can invest. So when funding your account, can be through bank deposit or bank transfer. Ako, personally, I used bank transfer. So, usually within a day or two lang naman, mag-reflect na yun sa account nyo, and then you can start to buy stocks. So, I would just like to point out also that there's a misconception that in the stock market, you can only invest kapag mayaman na hindi kasi sabi, pag-invest na mayaman lang yan. So, I would like to tell you guys, kahit 1,000 pesos lang siya, makakapag-invest kayo. So, there are two ways on how you could analyze the stock market. So, first one is technical analysis. The second one is fundamental analysis. So, ano nga ba yung difference nun? So, meron ako Okay. So, technical analysis, it means that you're examining the price movements through historical charts and statistics. So, basically, yung mga, kung nakita niyo yung sa mga traders, meron silang madaming charts. So, usually, parang na-predict nila yung anong mangyayari sa stock price through those charts. Ako personally, wala talaga akong idea about technical analysis. Pero nag-try akong mag-aral about it through Skillshare.com. So, I'll link I would put the link down below kung paano kayo matuto about technical analysis for free. Kasi si Skillshare meron silang free 2 months trial if you're new to the platform. Basically, for Skillshare kasi, don't worry guys, wala akong commission dito. Pero with Skillshare, you can learn new skills there. And I wanted to take the opportunity since ngayon sa naka-quarantine tayo, I wanted to um, build new skills and napili ko yung stock market investing. So, isang skill na gusto ko matutunan. And then, another way for you to analyze the stock market is called fundamental analysis. So basically, it's studying the intrinsic value of the company or the share that you are buying. So, ano nga ba yung intrinsic value? So basically, you would look into kung saan may pinaka-negosyo ng company. So kung maaari, let's say, Nalugi, diba? Ano ba yung negosyo nila? It's a restaurant business. So, nagbibenta sila chicken, burgers, etc. etc. So, ano ba yung sa chicken, so magbibenta nila ng chicken, ilan din yung tubo nila, diba? So, lalabas yun sa financial statements nila. Usually naman, financial statements are public documents, especially for those big companies. So, you could see kung magkano ba yung kita nila per year, kung tumataas ba yung kita nila. You could also check kung magkano yung assets nila, or yung mga liabilities nila. And then there's so much ratios that you can analyze. Okay, so pumunta na tayo sa topic na pinagpili dito is answering the question kung kumita ba talaga ako, nilugi ako sa stock market investing. Okay, so first one, punta tayo dun sa realized gains. Ano ba yung realized gains? Ito yung mga actual buy and sell gains. Yun yung mga stocks na binili ko, taka binenta ko na. So, totoong meron na akong na-cash out na pera dito. Diba? Kasi, meron silang tinatawag na unrealized gains. Ito yung mga stocks na binili mo, ito yung price na sa merkado, sa market, pero hindi mo siya binibenta. So, hindi ba yun yung totoo mong profits? Diba? So, realized gains ko, first is, I bought 300 shares of Avoidance Power Corporation. It's I think they supply electricity. So, binili ko yung stock at 26.31 price at binenta ko siya at 28.4. So, with 300 shares, I have a net profit of 500 net income. So, I have a net income of 547.7. Next, DFC, our favorite, Jollibee Foods Corporation. I bought 50 shares. Price na is 98.07. I sold it for 103.70. So, yung profit ko dun is 237.7. Next is SM Prime Holdings. So, I bought 100 shares. Binili ko siya at 26 pesos and 7 cents. Nabenta ko siya at 28.95. So, may profit ako of 247.0. Next, AC, Ayala Corporation. I bought 10 shares. Nabili ko siya at 483.91 per share. I sold it for 507, so I have a profit of 177.3. Next, Double Dragon Properties. I bought 100 shares at 16.22. And then, ito na nabili ako. Benta siya at 16.16, so may loss ako dito of negative. So yung loss ko dito, negative 38.98. So next naman, URC. I bought 100 shares at 118.70 per share. And then I sold it for 130. So yung profits ko dito, yung gains ko dito, 951.56. So actually, siya yung pinakamalaking gains out of all. So yung total kong gains sa mga nabili ko at nabenta ko na rin, it's 2,111 pesos and 83 cents. Yung total kong investment is 66,000. So, kumita ka 3.2%. Hindi naman tayo dun sa unrealized gains or losses. So, ano nga ba yung unrealized gains and losses? It means that ito yung mga stocks na binili ko na nga, pero sa portfolio ko pa, hindi ko pa siya binibenta. Pero ito yung, I just want to point out kung magkano na yung market value niya, at saka kung, meaning kung binenta ko siya today, at this point, ito yung magiging gains ko dun sa mga stocks. Yung net paper gains ko as of April 23, it's 6,553.27. So, ito hindi na to included yung kanina kong mga sinabi na realize gains. Kasi realize na yun, nabenta ko na yung tapos na yun. Ito yung mga nasa portfolio ko pero hindi ko siya binibenta out of my 66,000 investment. It's 9.9%. So, I would also like to share kung ano yung mga naging lessons ko as a beginner um, stock trader and investor. So the first one is to really start with a plan. Ano ba yung plan kung bakit kayo nag-invest? Kasi ako for me, naging plan ko lang naman is to find um, an investment vehicle that would earn more than dun sa money market fund. Kasi before na-try ko yung money market fund, um, and ang usual percentage lang niya annually is 3%. So, gusto ko ng mga investment vehicle, may chance akong kumita ng mas malaki or mas mapalaki ko yung pera. Another lesson that I've learned is you really have to practice patience. Kasi may good ka ng stock. Isipin yung nabili ko siya ng 28 pesos. Tapos, binenta ko siya ng 103. Eh, yung price niya kapag atin ng 150 150 pesos. So, imagine if I just waited, I could have earned a lot more. And, yun, kasi minsan nakakapanik, diba, kapag bumababa yung price, feeling mo, hala, baka malili pa ako, ganyan. But, you really have to stand by dun sa na-research mo dun sa fundamental analysis, which is Jollibee is a market leader in fast food category. So, kahit naman bumaba yung prices niya ngayon, there's a big chance that it would still go up. So, but it's just up to you kung paano yung research mo dun sa stock.
So sorry guys, nawala ng memory yung camera ko. So, I'd just like to wrap this up and say na at the end of the day, I'm very thankful that I grabbed this opportunity to learn about stock market investing, and it's a new way for me to grow my money, diba? So if you learned a thing or two in this video, please drop a like below. It wouldn't cost you anything, diba? So, and also subscribe if you find my videos helpful. If you have video suggestions, please comment it down below. So, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.